Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Hyundai Tucson window, only way. Start by lowering the glass slightly and removing the visible screws from the door panel. Use a trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the clips, lifting it up to clear the lock pin. Peel back the moisture barrier carefully and set it aside. Identify the regulator, motor, and any broken clips before proceeding to disassembly and replacement steps. With the panel off, keep organized and methodical to avoid mistakes. Carefully lift the glass to a service position and support it with tape or a suction cup. Unbolt the window regulator and motor while noting the orientation and mounting points. Inspect the regulator for bent tracks or broken plastic clips and test the motor briefly with the battery disconnected before full reinstallation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find this fix. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I keep nearby to store screws and small parts during repairs. Check the video description for the link and other deals that help keep your projects tidy. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new regulator by sliding the glass into its clamps and positioning the assembly into the door. Reattach bolts, but leave them slightly loose to allow final alignment. Reconnect the motor and test the window operation through a full travel to ensure smooth movement and correct tracking. Tighten all fasteners once aligned, reseat the moisture barrier, and reassemble the door panel in reverse order while checking switch functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.